This is Holy Saturday. It's Dog Walk Chronicles. We're just three cardinals. Too bad I didn't have the camera on that. Anyway, and there goes one right there. And there's one right there, in mid-screen, sitting on a branch. Somewhere in there. Yeah, right there, center screen. And I guess the third guy or gal, is somewhere around here. Anyway, they were up near the little, it's not a pond. It's just a plastic container that we put in the ground that the birds, I've said it before, they'll come. It seems like the cardinals will come together in a group, get in the water, do their thing, and then they get out, and then the little birds come in, and then some other kind of bird comes in, and the blue jays. I don't know how they worked that, but it was weird. Anyway, today is Holy Saturday, and tonight our church will be filled with, it'll be dark when Mass begins, and we'll have, each person will have a candle, and as Mass begins, the holy candle, the baptismal candle will be there, lit. Okay, so you're done? Okay, I can deal with that. If that's, oops. The baptismal candle will be there, and we'll each, and someone will, I forget who does it. I think some of the people are going to be baptized. No, that's later. Anyway, at the beginning, the deacons and the priests, I think, will walk down, and everyone will have a candle, and they'll go to the end of a pew and light the person's candle, and then they turn to the person to their right and light his candle, and then he lights her candle, etc., etc. So and pretty soon the church is lit. I suppose representing Jesus rising and the light of the world. So that's going to happen, and then there's about 8 or 9 readings. I don't know, a lot. Normally in Mass you have a first reading from the Old Testament, then you have the letter, and then of Paul, and then you'll have the Gospel. 3. Tonight we'll have probably 9, spanning the history of the church. A lot of the high points, I believe, and liturgical music going along with that. So, and then there'll be the baptisms and the confirmations of those confirmandes, I believe they're called. And then there'll be Holy Communion. The Mass will continue, or there'll be, the readings, and then our parish has a get together afterwards, which will be about 11 o'clock. So today on Holy Saturday, try to get to the service at your parish, to the Mass at your parish, and remember to ask the saints to pray for us and to pray for the souls in purgatory. And to recognize today when Jesus, let's see, it should correspond, I believe, with Jesus being in the tomb, and then the Mass culminates in He is risen, which most churches will celebrate Saturday evening, and Sunday morning in multiple services on Sunday morning, Easter morning. So happy Easter. And let's remember that from that bad thing, people ask why bad things happen. Well, from that bad thing, Jesus being turned over by Judas and tortured and crucified, came the resurrection. And like Jesus says, if a seed doesn't die, it won't raise up to be a plant, which will then nourish others. So let's be thankful for the light of the world.